Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D text without any plugins in After Effects. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll create a new composition. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds. Then I'll go to 3D render and make sure that you are on Cinema 4D. Then OK. Now I'll go to Tools, Text, type your text. Okay, then I'll go to anchor point and I want to put this point into the middle, so I'll go to anchor point, press Ctrl, double click and C. Okay, then I'll go to align to put this into the middle like that. And if you don't see align here, you can go to window and just check align. Okay, then I'll press S to increase it like that. Now I'll make it 3D, open it, and I'll go to geometry option and I'll change extrusion depth to 100. Also set none to convex. Okay, yeah. Now I'll add a new camera. Then I'll go to camera tools and rotate it like that. Just click your mouse and see. Nothing to see. So I'll go to layer, new light, and make sure that you are on parallel. Okay, then hit OK and see. Oh, okay, this is very good. Now I'll go to top view like that, and I'll change X position to the side. Control D to copy, and I'll put X position to the other side like that. Then I'll go to this point, put it into the middle of our text, also here. And I'll go to active camera again. Okay, this is very good. So now I'll go to file and import your image. I'll take it from Leonardo and I'll drag it here. Okay, again I'll go to my composition and drag and drop here. Let me press S to increase it, something like that, to cover my text. Okay, then right click and I'll go to environment layer. Okay, nothing to see, so I'll go to 3D text and I'll go to material option. Then I'll go to reflection intensity and I'll change it to 100 and see. Okay, also I'll go to specular shininess and I'll increase it around 50, something like that, and see. Okay, this is very good. So now I want to add animation, so I'll go to camera, open camera, transform and point position, keyframe, and let me change this position, something like that. Okay, not bad. Go a few seconds forward and again rotate this. Something like that. Okay, now I'll go to layer and I'll add adjustment layer. Then I'll go to effects, stylize and glow. Okay, I'll increase radius and see. Okay, and this is our animation. Okay, this is very good. So now I want to add a background, so I'll go to add a new layer as a background. Okay, put it down, go to effect, gradient, and generate and gradient ramp. Set linear ramp to radial ramp, and I'll put this point into the middle. Change your colors, something like that. Also here, let me see this. Yeah, and also I'll add some particles. So I'll add a new solid and particles. Then I'll go to effect, trap code, and particular. Also you can add CC particle word, and I'll open emitter, set point to box, and also XYZ individual, and let me increase X, Y, and Z. Okay, something like that. Then I'll go to particle and I'll change size to 3, change color, choose overlife, and I'll go to color overlife presets and I'll choose these colors. Okay, also I'll go to effect, stylize, and glow. Okay, and see. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and bye bye.